Bop bop. Yeah, you know, over here with K Series Kevin. One time. This nigga over here having. Hold on, his shirt say big cigarettes.
No,
Have fun.
Weed.
I gotta edit that. I don't know what he's talking about. Hey, you know, we over here though with my boys with the RSXs.
Black rsxtypes park.
What you said?
Black rsxtypes park.
The black RSXs part. This nigga is a fast guy. Fast. Real fast guy. Look at that. This is a real big Mr. Fast guy right here. I'm Bridging carry this. Yes, I brother. I the fast carry that down.
Park up, man.
Park.
Yeah, man.
This one, yes, sir. Where I said, pop the bonnet, show them how park it is, then, brother.
Where the park?
This one, yes, sir. This one is a single cabinet. Oh, you have single cam. And you have intercooler piping. That don't make sense. Oh shit, look. Next fast car come through.
Chopping that up on the building.
You got it, park. Y'all do not run this shit. Where's that one? Copy.
We are dealing.
They say you are the real fast guy.
No. Machine slow.
What the IG for YouTube?
Kind of long too. The real jet setter is it?
Is it? What class? Real jet setter. You see the wing? Blood clot. Yeah.
Machine dirty so. Wash.
Alright guys.
Need to
So-
respray it so.
Yo, may I get my oil change? Yo,
Reverse. No.
Virgin.
Man, not
Everybody, may I get my oil change when I roll out, you know? No, what you know I do, but
Yeah, though.
that's what me I go. You see?
Black mark.
Blood clot. Stay safe, Kevin.
Nah, rush close. You can't really see.
Bless
When they're around, so.
Since when?
Brother, stay
Long
safe.
time. One tire do that.
Stay safe, brother.
Tire boss.
Ah.
No. Big truck tire.
Brother, roam over there so I catch the fire shots. Bop, bop. What you mean? Alright, so there. Just change the plugs them. You see? Nice looking engine there. Yes, it's non-VTEC. You see me? It's a move like that. This man, yeah, so. Past that called big cigarette, they don't know the thing. Come on, yeah.
That's your Insta.
Yeah. There. They don't know the thing set. Yeah. But yeah, so right now we're doing the oil change, and then that's it. Stay tuned. So this is called good maintenance. That's how the inside of my engine looks. That's called good maintenance. Yep. Yep. Hey guys, so we just changed the oil. We're heading back to my boy's crib.
You're nice.
Yeah, so gonna go back there, roll up some big cigarettes, and then chill. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching. Just remember to like, subscribe. My car is loud as shit. It's not